Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App on Leads. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can change the Facebook email or phone number. Before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further videos on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open the Facebook and make sure you have logged in into the account you want to change the Facebook email or phone number. So on the top right corner, you will see the profile icon. Tap on it, and you need to tap on setting and privacy, and then you need to tap on the setting. You'll be access to this page where you need to scroll down, and under the audience and visibility, you will see the profile details. Tap on it. You can tap on the edit option on the contact info, and from this page you can easily edit the email or phone number you have saved during the creation of the Facebook. So this is it guys. Thank you.